Hey guys, so today we're gonna do mini balloon slime series 30. That's why it's special. So we're gonna need glue, color, foam beads, lotion. Okay, no, not lotion, foaming soap, as you can see right there. Activator, so much orange. Do I need anything else? Nope, that's it. Alright. Guys, comment if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me if you like it, and I'll do more of these. Let's get started. So I got 2 of these mini things. So I could do it so I could like squeeze it, then push it up, and then I do that, and then tie it up. So yeah, but the foam beads is going to be a lot different. Or do I need foam beads? Sorry guys, but I don't need foam beads. So 4 ingredients. Yep, 4 ingredients. Okay, let's get started. So first is going to be the glue. So yeah, I'm going to just do, oh, sorry guys. So first I'm just going to pour some on the cap. Slowly, that's a lot. Nope. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. That's good. I said that's good. That's good. Okay. Then we're gonna get this one. No, it's a smaller one, so it's easier. And then we're gonna squeeze it, lift it up. This will take. Oh, okay. It just went right away. Okay. Lift it up. Alright, so it's working well, but since it's glue, it's like going really slowly. So yeah. There. Alright, there's the glue. Now I'm gonna put it inside. Wait, okay. Now I'm gonna put it inside the balloon. It farted. Alright, there it is. Now I'm gonna do the writing at the end. So next, now time for the foaming soap. So I'm gonna do orange this time. It's gonna be kind of hard. See if I can like do this small one. Just like 1 squirt. No, it's actually less than 1 squirt, guys. Okay, and then add the foam soap. There. If you guys wonder what kind of balloon is this, it's a water balloon. So yeah. Okay, let me tie it now. There. Okay. There. I'm done tying it. That's a lot of foaming soap. Now the color. Gonna do pink. Froze there for a second. Okay, just 1 drop. Okay, there. And then I add water. Look, it looks like it's spilled out. It's just a thing. Watch. Look at that, but it's like not even the thing. Look at this side. Alright, I added water. That's the color there. And last but not least, the activator. Okay. This is brand new, guys, so yeah. Okay, so I'm using a different one. Slowly coming up, the clear tide. I have never really tried this, so hopefully it will work. So now it's just slowly coming up. Okay, so I got most of it in. Now hopefully that's enough to fill this balloon, the last one. Like squeezing it really tight right now. Okay, there we go. That should be enough, I hope. Okay, yeah, that's all. Since it doesn't really blow, I just did that. So Yeah. Hope that's enough, because I never, guys, so if you know this is gonna work, then comment yes. If you know it's not gonna work, then say no. Because like, if you watched other YouTubers using this kind of Tide, it's probably gonna work. Alright, be back when I'm done writing the words on the balloon. Okay, it's super hard to write it, so let's just get on with the balloon slime. Alright, so I'm gonna switch my camera so you can see. Alright, you kind of see. So first we're obviously gonna start off with the glue. So this is the glue, I kind of remember. So I'm gonna make the big hole. Okay, so tiny I can't even see anything. There. Next is foaming soap, and then color the activator. Oh, that squirted everywhere. Oh, look, it's all over my scissors. And some in my hand. Okay. It's all over my scissors. And color. It's probably gonna get on me. That's too slippery because of the foaming soap. Oh, there. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope, I knew it. Okay. It's all over me now. Great. Now I'm gonna use a spoon. I can't do this. I can't. Is this even? I can't. I can't. There's no glue? I don't even know where the glue is, guys. Sorry. Look, like, my goodness. To be truthful, it's not really that small, so that's what I'm proud of. It's not super tiny. Sorry if you wanted it super tiny. Now, see if the activator works. So, oh, I think it works. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah, yep, I think it works. Yep, because it's just like a little slimy. Okay, good. It works. Whoa. Wow, the slime actually formed really fast for some reason. There's the slime. Good. Okay. Ooh. Alright, there you go. That's the slime. It's not even that small, actually. I'm not gonna lie. It's really not that small. Wow. Right. There we go. It's fluffy slime. That's the end of the video. Bye bye.